Hello student, I am your Kiran Kumar from the Nature of Physics. Today topic is advantages and disadvantages of friction. Short answer from the laws of motion, along with the parallelly going to explain the methods reduce the friction. Okay student, so first advantages of the friction. One can hold object with fingers due to the frictional force. Best example, I am holding the pen due to the frictional force between the fingers and pen student. Okay, and one can walk safely on the floor due to the friction. We are walking on the floor due to the frictional force between the floor and the foot student, so safe walk is possible. And nails and screws are driven into the wall by the frictional force. We can observe in the houses, nails and screws enter into the wall, okay, to hold the materials. And next, disadvantages of friction. So this is only given about the machinery purpose only. The wear and tear of the machine student, this is one of the drawback in the machine. No need explanation about the wear and tear student, because of it is a short answer. Okay, it is generated due to the friction, decreasing the efficiency of the engine student. In the engine, due to the friction between the plates of the engine, heat is produces, the mechanical energy convert into heat energy. That's why efficiency is decreases of the engine student. Okay, and next, power loss in the engine due to the friction. Energy loss, nothing but power also loss in the engine. Next, methods reduce the frictional force, also important short answer. First one is polishing student. Due to the polishing, irregulars are removed on the surface, then friction is decreased student. Take a polishing paper and rough the surface, so that what will happen on the surface, irregulars will be removed, then the surface becomes smooth, then friction is decreases. Okay, and next, ball bearings we are using in the automobiles between the wheel and the axle. Okay student, so that their kinetic friction or sliding friction or dynamic friction convert into rolling friction. Okay, so ball bearings kinetic friction convert into rolling friction student. Next, lubricants. So generally we are using oil, grease, okay, for lubricant student. By applying the lubricants on the rough surface, irregulars fill on the surface, then the frictional force decreases student. Best example, take oil, apply on the hands and move it. What will happen student? The surface become very smooth. Reason is what? Irregulars already filled by the oil. Okay, without oil rough, and with oil is the hands very smooth. Reason is irregular filled by the oil. So that oil and grease we will use in the engine for the bikes and cars and other heavy vehicles also student. And streamline the front portion of the vehicle, okay, aeroplane or bus or lorry or cars especially. Okay, the front portion in curved shape. Even bus also front portion looking like a rectangle, but that is not a rectangle student, so edges must be curved shape. That is, automobiles, aeroplanes are streamlined to reduce the air resistance, so frictional force is decreases. Okay student, due to the curvature, air is easily reflect at the curvature, so that automobiles are streamlined student. Please do like and subscribe our channel Nature of Physics.